69, you're getting down like good way. And me, I just want good dama. Oh, I say, me cooking me first, I'm spicing it on, gonna say, gold mine. Chinese for Nyami Tianka Galam say, we close one our ears to critics. We no go hear you, talking like you work for lightning. Make thunder fire you, I'm spitting at you. Keep it listening to Rihanna. But when it's raining punches, umbrella can never save you. I'm a papa, shutter, rapper, chopper, clapper, tutu, kaka, flow like passenger. How I'm dropping from it, taxi driver. Yeah, I love me like I love myself. I am my own neighbor and I think it's very easy. All these rappers I empower. I'm a rap guru, yeah, they feeling my rhymes. Little Wayne fine, I just wanna get the Emily. My remedy rhyme with the melody, time and my energy goes to no enemy. Run up on enemies, tell me who's killing this kid. Look, all of the boring talking, then again, nothing is more important. Murdering all of your favorite constants, better than what they call it. Massacre all up in the air, ain't nobody bothered, they're never really rare. Give me the rap on my channel for the wear. Spitting up, telling you that nobody am. You wanna be able to catch up with the level that I'm putting myself on. I'm about to go transform the platform that you is getting. I jump on the loud old clouds with the singing me God song. What am I? Answer God, I am a pale girl on my opinion to watch alarm, to watch my lamp. Listen, I date ladies, I'm sure I'm gonna wait until I hit the fan.
Tongue twisting. Yo!
I slept in.
Jim FM.
Well, go.
Lyrica Joe. Ghana.
Okay,
or sell.
I took advices and my devices is heavy, bro. If you gon' be a D, then be one. The song Viagra. No mercy verses, I make it rain. The god of the clouds. Teta Kwashi, I came to give him the roundabout. These little G's can't F with me. Money be blood, I'm at the neck of the bank. I'm a vampire. Many men wish death on me. Said I wouldn't see 50, but I'm alive, cause I got power. RIP to Ronnie, but guess who coaches this new cat? Right, what go make your future bright? Take your book back, murk that. L said heaven is out of space, bro. How we sending them up? It's like we working at NASA. Every the fools lose, I'm with the tools. We with the crews, move together with tools, move. Breaking the rules, rocking them new shoes. Look, I feel knock your piece out, but y'all gotta shave first. I don't beat around the bush. It's like I slept in heaven, I woke up in God mode. Reminiscing about back when I had no faith in my flow. Hard work paid, so I had to get on his payroll. Now I'm the dawn, every chick knows the way my cock pros. Was confused on how to get my message across. Master Kibia for heat and people were wishing me luck. Make a shave Santo, then begin to sing some Afro pop. Seeking promising head, how opportunity no go knock. In my office even when I'm horny, no doubt. Put my erection in my job, I mean I work hard. It's embarrassing when you compare yourself to these God. It's bad lines, you only knock yourself, it goes out. Close mouth, I say jig is trying to be silly and it is really a disease. To me it's a dream, kill it, I'm a clown, belly, I'm a don. Why could jig is round for me? Compare me, then you still in the garden of Eden. Look sharp, then eat the forbidden fruit, cause your eye no open. Let's go, yeah, let's go. I say, money talks, so I pray to God to take the fear of silence. This is being honest. If money was a throne, I pray to God to be your highness. If the bread was a bone, would you break a leg for me? Be honest. They would be like, yeah, you be G, we be your realest writers. Millions and millions. After I get my M&Ms, I might feature Rihanna, cause I love the way you jigger slide. That's how it is, yeah. That's how it is, yeah. That's how it is. They say, LGZ, where the hell you been? Thinking of inking greatness, I keep my head in the pen. Sometimes I keep it filthy in every verse that I send, cause my sickness will catch them before they know that I'm a gem. Me and a couple of homies, we used to break bread. Me and the parties know now we did break bread. I had to kill it and say goodbye to the fake friends. Mwah to Medusa, I kiss full heads. When you're 7 pasta, your table is full of hallelujah. Jiggers one work, I know they fake, but I agree for the culture. Keep a distance, you know the fam. This is agriculture, miss your trouser, but I'm grinding like this nigga. Try to do rap music alone, but I need money too. Try to walk on water and I'm thirsty too. But if the world was merry and money could make it go round, then Jesus would have been born in this circle too. So jiggers respect dollars, F being honest, let it breathe. Let's go.
Jim FM.
Lyrica Joe.
Where?
Shout out to Blighton, your #1 fan.
Okay, let's go. Illest lyricist, you know me right. Goddess in Hell's Kitchen, the devil is losing appetite. When it's hip hop, I go ham and I eat afro. When I'm on a diet, ham, afro, diet. I come through both, I'm Aphrodite. Long as my pocket puff, daddy, it's no biggie if I'm not biggie. Body bag bodies, mute bodies, we listen to so I'm good, meaning I'm God, plus James Bond. Cause good is just a God that has been double old. Killer flows, that be the reason I still sit, then I sit still. If y'all doubt that a boy ill, then y'all trying to make it through the promised land without knowing Moses is real. Israel, put it together, that's Israel. My mindset, till I get to Beats by Dre, I'll never get my head set. If I spill my dreams, I wipe the floor with reality. They said I'm on cannabis, my fashion is magically. I put on hell and I appear in heaven cause God did the laundry. Meet myself and tell myself that I'm a Stan Eminem story. Take a peep at the boss, y'all know I'm just great. Let me talk to myself. L, you a icon, yay. And if rap was king, you would shine with no sex tape. But whatever they do, they can't stop y'all. Ray J, Ghana, that's the dream team. My song got slight puts. When it comes to licking it, only a pastor will sing. Out of 10 African rappers, only one will come close. Makes me a goat with 9 lives, that's why this cat jealous. I just wanna go and get me the dough. But all of you rappers, it's all about the dose. Producing, you snoozing, I'm on the dose. Producing, you snoozing, I'm on the dose. Popping a couple of rappers, you know it is an option. Copy the dollars, you know it is a reason why they run up on the features. And I'm telling you that nobody in Africa defeats us. 50 don't have a cent. Let's go.
What's the name? What's the name? What's the name? Lyrical Joe.
Lyrical Joe, let's go. Gotta do this for a long run.
Yeah, yeah. You miss rap, right? He's ready. Yeah.
And I know that they say two legends can coexist, but one thing I know is that my code don't exist. Cause I exit every code with all these dreams in my vow. Man, shout out to J. Cole, but this is Lyrical Joe. Shovels at where Chale, it's time to bury talks. And it all boils down to hoes like golf. They hyping all these pills and weed music, bro. Take drugs and go to the moon. Junkies are now astronauts. Listen, talents never die. They are like stones. It's up to you to hold your own. As David or Thanos, I stay fly and hold my ground. And it's all wonders how I'm coping with change since I'm off balance. Been on the chase. When these rappers come with them, they talk beef. Air them. When they become fly, I'm still the shit. Make her breathe. You rappers sensitive like a cleat. I rub you and make you sweat. This is orgasm from a thief. Someone will murder me. I'm like Yahoo. I'm really hungry. Bring the GML, bro. Too many gunshots, so it's like police talking. When I'm spitting, all you hear is po-po, oh-oh. Territories invading, these lines are the tongues I'm spitting. I just came in with Baba bars. Rap heads, I'm fading, seeing the future in the dream, so I don't relax on the weekend. Money shoot me, I'll tie a $sign if I keep singing, oh Lord. Spitting gimmicks, you boys are sinners. Tell you a secret, I've always had a thing for twinners. So when I release this bars, building a jail in my girl's womb. It's prison break when my babies come out, they'll be in serious. They talking fashion, but they naked till they bite these brethren. Your style is hanging on a tree in the Garden of Eden. Too much weapons, I told you guys are dealing arms. If you need help to die, that's something I can give a hand in. You see I'm standing on my ego, so I'm taller than you people. If I lose, I'll take the dopest L and become El Chapo. Took 2 L's, but soon as I found my Eve, I placed it in front and the back of him. Then I got my level, I salivate. My mind is diamond made. Me a silver spoon before I had gold on my plate. Celebrate the fact that they slept on me heavily. If they dig me earlier, it would have been an early grave. Push-ups, no metals, I just let that water from my body lock them up, though I don't sweat bars. Wrong ones, getting the hype and they still suck. I guess that's what happens when you give babies the thumbs up. Racism stories, you have to be blamed, they don't know our parts. Life is a piano, we play the white more than we play the blacks. Enough of that. Wow. Today I came to entertain with bars. Safe to say I went bananas and my shit is still my life broad and shit damn fine. I told her I won't snitch, let's do a 69. Wow. Look into my crown, do you see the king's eyes? Y'all trying to sleep on me, I'm not even your king size. Flow through, you F with me, you take an L. It's only logic that you know that I'm a pro too. I don't stand in line, in the queue it's never where I base. School is never old, how do y'all remain old school? When radio give me airtime, I still take a parachute. If they drop me for being plain, I'm landing safe in the booth. Only God can judge, I guess we know where the court is. When I die, I'll be heading to heaven with living proof. Your toxic laughter is medicine, your cure is ha ha ha. You can brag, but when they take the R off, what's in your bag? You're talking murder, but when you pull up, there ain't no blood bath. You should not be dirty in vain. Blood take a bath. 1 man million, I ball no steady on. Style quazillion, check your minimum. Last time we checked your properties, you only own talks, and I'm the action owner. Duncan Williams, look, I hear the tough talks, I think it's funny though. Since they say they got balls, every punch is a low blow. 2 countries came at me, couldn't kill Lyrical Joe. How can these comedians crack something that is not the joke? Listen, right here, we don't fight fair. Even in your dreams, I'm the GOAT, I give you nightmares. This human being is being carrying the beam perfectly. I don't drop trash to be bigger, my vision put together. Do rivalries, had my eye on the galaxy before these phone factories. Don't dada, what's the time? The watch told me act like Jackie Chan and Chris Tucker, cause it's rush hour. Listen, how is business? I got an office, shot fired, more bullets employed. It's sickening when I'm cooking in the kitchen. I go pick up, every pan is fly, boy. Feed us the hustle, forget your money wipe. Over here, Papa, yeah, no be fried rice. This is how I engineered my thought. Was thinking masters even when I had a demo mind. Your numbers, that's bad air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We start breathing from 6. I'm saying your top 5 is a big mess. 10% slight verses dropping. I'm a mother effer when I'm spitting. Son and daughter rappers when I write. I'm a family guy. This is Peter Griffin. Release my skills, that's phlegm. I always K-I-L on them. I could have pronounced the word as skill, but I'd rather put my skills on them. Ain't nobody easily killing me. That's fact. Rap. When I came, I was ready. A full pack. Told you. You think you do rap? Oh please, you rappers do trap like Tom in the industry full of Jerry Mouse, so the card get away with the cheese. New Machiavelli now, really looking out. All these rappers I've been eating. Even if I was Tupac by now, I would have a pot belly. I'm a shot. Always on the phone with digging my bitches, I'm calling you out. Make a bow out of a life, then invite you to come drink as I pour out my heart. If you're ready for war, then let's go, bro. Every beef I get my ammunition. I drop 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's 4 arms. I'm King Goro. I go deep, but this is modern rap. If you let me be your gold digger, I'll appear in L and give the devil boss. Your sound really make me walk. I'm standing in there with the arms. I'm a gunner. You gonna only I gotta stick for your eardrums. Call me rage murder. I'm an eardrum, man. I'll promise if you landlord. In the building talking, man. What? Listen, as I'm putting you behind bars, put your hands together like a handcuff. Over 6 years I've been on TV. I confess never secondary. Every line ends with a bar, like the 4 months between I guess in January. Bound for Bobby Beat Bar. They don't put me up. Fact, you can stop the boy from behind. I carry Africa rap on my back. I cry crocodile or cry wolf. I'm full of my tears, I'm not in zoo. Last time I saw a put to walk in brave shoes, the boy was watching put in boot. My imagination before I write, our imaginations is not a verse, it's a universe. Your mind gon' need a spaceship. Look, murdering contract offered. Soon as my name was altered, I made your killers commit an adultery. That's the mission you assassins aborted. I'm a G.O.D. in a beast, G.O.D. at the feast, schoolages at the feast. I be smoking rappers when you look at future strain cloud, B.O.B. literally. Grinding me cleverly. Chance, are you grabbing it? Dopeness is an athlete. It rants in the family, them know they my curriculum. Not feeling them, I'm numb. Who can tell me I built my verses, but them my bars no be uniformed. These growing wings flying, Catalana, cover verses on the rhymes. Got a damn car, would say you better than I would draw the battle line and let the lines. But my stream deep, get the boat by the road, by the turn around way, by the scout walk like a beach though. Struggle, make it rain cold, let it snow, these are ounce. Only if your discount. I've been watching it, I know these clowns. Introduction to the voice of the 7th alphabet. This is how a G sound when I'm about to drop. Jesus jealous how they keep their fingers crossed. No high, they said I'm low, so I had to keep it fabulous. Oh, Jah guide we know say ego take we. A long effing time, we didn't come to have a quick we. Lyricist was born and even quiet with his thought. This words will make you chicken out if you've been listening to Cox. I swear your arms are not impressing. Probably we can go to war. I had to push up. I had to push up on my walls. Now after the Hall of Fame, focused and build a famous hall.
Go on Facebook.
Of a fame and let. I drew attention, get dead tired and rose as a flower. You drew your gun but the pencil broke when you got to the trigger. Trigger your mind if you ponder. I'll put a bullet in your designer. In the ocean, I'm a big shot, come and swim with Michael Dapper. My mind is a loaded rifle. The rifle is a cologne. I can spray you with some bullets when the blood bath is done. I don't pray, I just get bored before I get to where I'm headed. Took it World Cup Zidane. On the field is where I'm heading. Pay no mind to all this hatred. I love danger, I don't hatred. Hell kitchen, that's how fire got deserted. Before you say I'm not the king of the jungle, be Daniel. Cause you can never lie on a lion in the lion's den. I speak for eyesight like Jesus by the magic of my pen. Keep the Stephen legacy alive, one that shall never end. I'm a full pack like a group wolf. Tell them 2MG, I got the deal though. If really I'm the one you rappers putting in your convo, then you a lady with a dildo, you dig in your own hole. Make me talk the that's immortal. Be a cocksucker. Fucking rich, but over here we know your favorite rapper. Broke like 9 months pregnant, ladies water.
Kasari level.
These bars you running on roadside, peace sign. My guys, my guys say they wanna chill at the seaside. Oh Lord, please let the sun of it shine. Roman rapping stupid, them no go take past my turf. These bars are cleavage, I'm a big if I don't get it off my chest. Brain wasn't gifted by a fat man who write years. I saw pet Santa Claus since I started rapping sense. Moses, God gave me followers before Twitter. Cartoons acting gangsters, feel like I'm watching Boondog. I brought the tools mechanical out of the convo of who's the hardest in Africa. My erection international, rooms to be stupid, but I still outstand them. I'm at your neck and I'm not playing. This violin got a problem. I lost y'all, damn it. Lyrical cause pandemic. Look at me, ask God, I'm about to do a tour with it. But my brothers high, they can never be low key with it. We did it. None of you rappers is coming in my city. Look, shut up. Invited the devil's army to dinner in heaven, and that's how my demons got fed up. Beasts. Done.
Wow. We're done. We're done.